What's the meaning of albino? Albino. 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 Albino.
Albino refers to a person or animal with a genetic condition which causes them to have little or no pigment in their skin, hair, and eyes. This results in a pale appearance and sensitivity to sunlight. Albino individuals may also experience vision problems, such as nystagmus or photophobia. The condition can occur in any ethnic group and affects both sexes equally. Despite the cultural stigmatization of albinism in some societies, albino individuals lead normal lives with proper medical care and accommodations for their visual impairment.